Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2011 Audi S4. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the rear lining. This lining is easy to pull out, and once you do, you can quickly remove the tire or jack kit. The engine coolant reservoir is easily accessible in the engine bay. You won't have to reach far to add fluid or to check the level markers. The engine air filter is no problem to change. You only have to loosen one bolt to pull the filter out of the vehicle. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To change the headlight, you must pull out the entire front housing. Doing this can be difficult, as you must remove many Torx bolts and lift up a panel to pull out the housing. Reaching the oil drain plug can be tough. You must pull down a bulky panel from under the vehicle in order to access the plug, and you must work upside down as you do so. Changing the front wiper blade will require you to put the blades into the service position and use a tool to remove a blade. Other models will not require these steps. Overall, the 2011 Audi S4 is a moderately difficult vehicle to maintain and is only recommended to those capable of vehicle maintenance.